All right, guys, here we go. This is 719 Gold Rush football jersey. 719 Gold Rush football jersey. 719. All right, group you guys together. You guys bid on your team. Sorry, it took a little longer than expected. So, big man, Bengals, Colts, Chargers, Vikes, Jets, Seahawks, Card Breakers, Lions, Craig Chome, Dolphins, Hot Dog, Falcons, Texans, Yaks, Patriots, Bucks, Titans, Redskins, Indy, Browns, Jared Branch, Rams, J Mark, Cardinals, John Head, Packers, Mikey, Eagles, Moose Man, Cowboys, Raiders, MP, Ravens, Bills, Broncos, Ryan Bell, Panthers, Sean Lawrence, Niners, STA, Bears, Steeler Man, Chiefs, Saints, Giants, and Steelers. All right, all right, all right. Good to go, guys. Any trades? Any last minute trades? All good? Anybody want the Panthers? Just kidding. All right, here we go. I was just kidding, man. You're good. All right, number 80, W842337, Plexico Burrs. Plexico Burrs for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Plexico Burrs. Mr. shot himself in the leg. All right, for P. Berg. P. Berg. Who's got him? Who's got the Pittsburgh Steelers? Pittsburgh Steelers. That is going to Steeler Man. All right, Steeler Man, there you go. You got yourself the Plexico Burrs autographed jersey. Very nice, very nice. All right, guys, there you have it. I'm going to catch up on the rest of these breaks here. Every night, guys, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn notifications. Appreciate it. Join that Facebook group, guys. Links down below in the description. And you'll know what's going on. I definitely highly recommend that. All right, thank you. Next, Plexico Burrs. Thank you, thank you.